Contra voucher is used in the three circumstances by the company. Number 1, when company withdraw cash from bank. Number 2, when the company deposited the cash into the bank. Number 3, when the amount transferred from one bank to another bank. In this video, you will learn to enter the contra entries with examples. Please watch this video till the end and download the PDF worksheet in the description box and practice it. If you have any questions and doubts, please comment below. I will answer for this. Hi friends, welcome back to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session without wasting much time. Hi friends, today let us learn about contra voucher. Let us go to vouchers, press enter. Now you can see the payment here. It is the payment voucher. Now we have to change it to contra by pressing F4 or click it over here. Now it has been changed to contra. Being here, we have to press the space bar. We'll get the list of ledger accounts. So we have to select the receiving account, whether it is cash or bank. So first example is cash deposited to State Bank of India rupees 30,000. So here receiving account is State Bank of India. The moment you enter the account here, you will get the balance here. Just observe here 1080 rupees is the balance in State Bank of India. Again, being here, press space bar. You will get the list of ledgers account. You have to select cash. The moment you select the cash account, you will see the balance here again, 50,000. The moment you enter the amount which you have deposited, 30,000, see the balance. The balance has been changed. Here in SBI also the balance has been changed. Just keep observing it. Just press enter. Here if you have any instrument, you have to enter. Otherwise, if you have any denominations, you can enter it. I'll keep it blank. Come down and enter the narration. This is the narration I have entered. If you want any narration, be clear and enter it here. Press enter and press enter to accept it. Now second example. Example is rupees 50,000 transfer from Axis Bank to State Bank of India. Being here, press spacebar. You will get the list of ledger. Here we have to select the receiving bank. Here receiving bank is State Bank of India. Press enter. And here also you press spacebar. Select Axis Bank. Enter. Amount is 50,000. Keep observing the balances. Once you enter the balance amount, the balance will get changed. 50,000. Enter the check amount if you have, or UPI number if you have. Whatever you have, you can enter it. See the balance. Here, earlier it was 2 lakhs. Now after transferring 50,000, it has been changed to 1,50,000. The same way in the State Bank of India, earlier it was 31,000. Now it has been changed to 81,080 rupees. Calm down. And if you have any instrument numbers, you can enter it. And you enter narration properly. I'll keep it blank. Press enter. And press enter to accept this entry. Now let us go back by pressing escape. Yeah, from here we can see the reports now. Go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to accounts book. Press enter. Go to ledgers. Select cash. See, today's entry is 30,000. Press F12. Show the narration, make it yes, and press Ctrl A. See the narration, cash deposited to SBI. The balance, cash balance is now 20,000. And if you want to see another account, see here ledger, click it over here or press F4 and select Axis Bank. Press enter. See the 50,000 which we have transferred from SBI. Now the balance is 1,50,000. This is how you can see the reports, or you can see by clicking cash or bank balances. See here, you can see both cash and bank balances. All the bank balances and cash all will display in one screen. By pressing here, you will get details, month-wise detail, and it is date-wise details. Again, you can go back by pressing escape key. This is how you can see the reports also. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment, share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, doubts, please comment below. I'll answer it definitely. Thank you friends. Let us meet in the next video with some interesting chapters.